Hey, fuel filter. This is something I'm interested in.
So you need gadget fingers.
Copy. What is it, like a little screw on?
There's a little screw on ring.
What is that?
And then you pull the lid off.
Oh.
And let it ride.
So it's one of those messier jobs.
Yep. Hey, all the messes on this side, cleans on that side.
Ah, lovely. Is that pretty dirty? Or is that standard?
Yeah, so see that. Those blacks.
Those
So
blacks
that's
are
clean, and these blacks, that's shit out of the field.
Shit. And that's still going through the pre-diesel.
Yeah, and that's a little pre one at the bottom, so if you compare that to your new one.
Jesus. Yeah, right. That's surprising me considering
15,000 Ks.
considering I'm running a...
It's not horrendous. Like, it's not just fuel.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
definitely like
Cracking
shit
it.
in there. Yeah.
Which is pretty surprising considering I'm running a pre-diesel filter. Like, Jesus Christ, if you're not, you're crazy.
Yep.
So as Chris was just saying, I didn't have this on straight away, so the test is going to be, once we drop this new filter in, to see what it looks like at the 30,000, because we're going to swap them both at 30,000, or yeah, 30,000 again. We'll be able to see what it's actually like. But that's just blown me away. I can't believe the metal and stuff it had in there. Unreal. Top.
God damn it.
So there's no certain way, you just put it.
Yeah, there's two lugs there.
Oh, there is two lugs, yeah.
And gently persuade it in. And get the ring to start again. Probably the funnest bit ever for the first time you've ever done it.
Yeah.
And a couple of screws on. And then
Tap again.
tap it down, screw it up. And when you're all the way home, they go click.
Oh, right.
There you go.
Oh, there we go. Perfect.
Then we turn the ignition on so the fuel pump can prime the filter. Get rid of it.
Yep. So they self-prime, do they?
Yeah.
Wow.
Take a fair while, you'll actually hear the air rushing through it now.
Yeah, you can too.
Fucking let go too early. Persevere.
Yeah.
Ignition on for 10 minutes. And
So you definitely don't have to. There's no longer.
keep cranking, right?
But you don't have to crack injectors or anything like that anymore. It'll just
bleed.
It will bleed itself. Copy that. Lovely.